Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the DMA indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the DMA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 27 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 401 indicators, with a total of 164 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 164 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the DMA indicator. It's actually the Math R3E DMA indicator, but the beginning is actually the user's name, their username who created this indicator. So it's actually the DMA indicator, and you can see here on the bottom of the screen, I actually took it from being up in price action like this here, and I moved it down to a pane down here below, just make it a tad bit easier to see. So there is a few things going on with this indicator, but all in all, it's not too difficult. And so basically we have two solid oscillating lines, and so you can see that there is a faster line. This one here is the faster one, and then there's the slower line, which is this one right here. And then we have these lines here that kind of come and go or break in between them, kind of similar to think of like kind of like the super trend almost, but it doesn't flip automatically. And so what we are looking for is when the red broke line here, when the red broken line appears, we are looking for the faster of the lines, so this one right here, to be below the slower of the two lines, and that's going to give us a short signal. When we get a broken, I call these the broken line, no better term for it at the moment. But when we get a broken line that is green, we are looking for the faster line here to be above the slower line, and that's going to be a long signal. So hope that makes sense. We'll go ahead and get on with the testing here, and we'll take a look at it as we go, so that way maybe it'll be a little bit more clearer for those of you who might still be a little lost. So all right, so you see here that we get the green line here, the green broke line appears, and what we are looking for is the faster line here, the faster solid line, to be above the slower line there. And you can see that almost immediately these two appear at the same time. Now you might think that this green broken line is the break of the two lines, but it definitely isn't, because it appears often when these two lines are not crossing each other. It just happened to be that they crossed right there at the same time as the appearance, and so that would be a long that point. And let's quick measurement there, and we got to take profit on that one, long signal there. So if that clears it up a little bit more, let's go ahead and continue forth here. Now if we get a continuation like this right here, you can see that the broken green line pops up right there. You can see that the faster of the two lines is actually above, and so we meet all the criteria that we're looking for there, and it looks like we get to take profit again. And so that is the basic setup here. And so over here on this side, we get the red broken line appears there. The faster of the two lines below meet all the criteria, and we get to take profit. Let me just double check that. Yep, we stayed within our stop, so we are good there. Go ahead and continue forward here. So we pick up a long psych right. Just double checking my coordinates here. Looks like we pick up a long right there on that one. And once again, we get to take profit. Over here on this side, we pick up a short right there. This one, though, is going to get us stopped out. You can see right here that right as we get that short signal, then almost immediately we get pretty strong pullback in the market right there. And then we pick up a long signal right there on that one. Stop being a little glitchy, and looks like we get to take profit on that one. So alright, that is the setup on this. What I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here, that way things don't get too long, and I will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you will get access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators with their win rates, which ones were winners and which ones were losers. You will also get access to a a pretty lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. And another thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, which you will get as well as the other lists. And it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And another awesome thing that we are doing on the Patreon only channel is that our admins and regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, their indicators, the whole deal. They are growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And so a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's get everything in focus here. Take a look. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Not a bad indicator. It did pretty decent, give us a decent amount of trades in 1 year's time with a decent amount of winners. It's kind of an all-in-one trading strategy with multiple different things happening at once. So it's not kind of a standalone indicator as much as it is a kind of system already built together. But hey, that's all right. We will do that. We'll work with that for sure. So this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.